Next is monomial, binomial and trinomial. As the name monomial, mono means one term. Binomials means two terms. Trinomials means three terms. Monomial is a polynomial having only one term. Binomial is a polynomial having two terms. Trinomial is a polynomial having three terms. What about polynomial? Polynomial can have one or more terms. Correct? Say for example, x square, xy, 4, z cube, these are monomials, two terms. X square minus 5, y square minus 5z, 7 minus xy square, 5xyz plus 7y square. Here there are two terms, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Plus and minus, these separate the terms, whereas multiplication do not separate the term. This is only one term. This is only one term. Three terms, a plus b plus c, x plus xy plus z, m plus 3n plus 4, x square plus y square plus z square, x cube plus xyz plus 4. All these are trinomials. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. xy is one term. Multiplication does not separate the terms. Okay, this is one term. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are all trinomials. All these are polynomials having one term, having two terms, having three terms. Next is like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms depend on the variable of the term. See, I say 8x plus 5 and 7 minus 2x. Okay, here 8x and 2x, these are like terms. This depend on the variable x. Variable should be same with the same degree, that is, those are like terms. Coefficient may differ, but variable and the degree of the variable should be the same. Those will be like terms. 5 and 7 are constants, so these are also like terms. These are 8x and 2y. Consider this. Here the variable is altogether different. There it is x and here it is y. So these are unlike terms. 8x and z, these are also unlike terms. 2y and z, unlike terms. Had it been 3x square plus y, so 3x square and 8x, these are unlike terms. Why? Because here the degree of x is changed. Here it is 2 and here it is 1. So these are unlike terms. Okay. Say the question is 4x minus 5 plus 3x minus 2y plus 5. In this expression, what are the like terms and what are the unlike terms. So like terms are 4x and 5x, same variable, same degree. So these two are like terms. What about minus 5 and this is minus 2y, same variable, these are like terms, and 5 is single term. Okay, these are like terms. What about unlike terms? If I consider 4x and minus 5y, these are unlike terms. Next is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Suppose, for example, we are to add two expressions, as one is 6x square minus 9x plus 10 and 6x plus 5. So I will first write 6x square minus 9x plus 10. What we will do is we will write these expressions as like terms one below the other. Like first expression I have written, next is 6x plus 5. 6x, we will write 6x below this. The 9x and 6x are like terms. So we will leave this as it is, and 6x we will write here. Plus 5 is constant, 10 is constant, we will write 5 below this. And we will simply add. 6x square, nothing is to be added here, it is 6x square only. 6, when we don't write anything in front, that means this is plus. Now what will be minus? So we are to add minus 9x plus 6x. Okay, we will write x as it is and we will do the operation of minus 9 plus 6. Here this point is to be noted, जहाँ बच्चे बहुत mistakes करते हैं. These 4 cases can be there. ठीक है, अब करना क्या है, when there is different sign, means minus and plus, what you will do is, when there are different sign, you subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 9 minus 6 is 3 and put the sign of bigger number. So sign of the bigger number is minus. So this is the answer. Okay, here also different sign. What you have to do, subtract from bigger the smaller number. 9 minus 6, that is 3, and sign of the bigger number. So bigger number here is plus, so answer is plus. When there is same sign, when there is same sign of both the numbers, what you have to do is you add 9 and 6, 15, and same sign put. Here also the same sign, minus minus. Here it is minus sign on both the numbers, so you add and put the sign as minus. Okay, so minus 9 plus 6 is nothing but minus 3, 10 plus 5 is 15. So this is the answer. Correct. One more example we will take. This one, add 6xy plus 2yz plus 3zx, 4zy minus 5x, minus 4zx plus 2y minus 5. So first we will write the first term as 6xy plus 2yz plus 3zx. Okay. Next term we will write as like terms, we will put together. We will write like term below the like term. Next is 4zy, zy. Here you know that yz is equal to zy. This is commutative property of multiplication, means you can change the order. If you change the order, product remains the same, answer remains the same. So yz is equal to zy. This is commutative property of multiplication. You have read in earlier classes. So I can write here 4yz, or simply 4yz, this is one and the same thing, minus 5x. So there are no x here, so we will write minus x here. Next is 4zx. Zx here, minus 4zx, we will write the 4zx below this. Next is 2y, there is no 2y term here, so we will write plus 2y. So we will write 2y separately and minus 5, no constant is here, like this. And we will simply add 6xy plus nothing is here, so answer is 6xy. There no sign means plus sign, yz we will write as it is, and what we will do, 2 plus 4. Plus 2 plus 4 is not the same sign, we will add and put the sign of the bigger number, put the same sign. So this is plus 6. 3zx minus 4zx, zx you will write as it is, and plus 3 minus 4, plus 3 minus 4. Different sign, we will subtract from the bigger number the smaller number. 4 minus 3 is 1, and put the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 4, sign of 4 is minus, so answer is minus 1. So we will write here minus 1, we can omit, and here nothing is here, so it is 5x only, plus 2y minus 5. So this is the answer. Correct? Next is subtract subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6x minus 5 from 8x square minus 3y plus 2x plus 8. Now this is to be subtracted from, this expression is to be subtracted from this. The one from which it is to be subtracted, we'll write first 8x square minus 3y plus 2x plus 8. Now we are to subtract this from this, 5x square, so 8x square, 5x square and 8x square are like terms. So we'll write 5x square below this term, minus 4y square, no y square in this term, so we'll write minus 4y here, plus 6x, here 2x is there, so we'll write 6x below this, minus 5, constant term is here, so we'll write minus. Now we are to subtract this whole term from this. What does that mean? What we will do, change the sign of the lower term. Here it is plus sign, we will change as minus. Here it is plus, we will change as minus. Here it is minus, we will change as plus. Here it is minus, we will change. If it is plus there, we will write minus. If it is minus here, we will write plus. Why? Because we are to minus this. So minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. That is why. Okay? You all know minus into plus is minus. Plus in minus into minus is plus. That is why. Correct? Now you ignore this sign. What you have to do? Add with this sign. Now x square we will write as it is, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. This is simple 3, but if we use that method, this is plus sign, different sign, you have to subtract. 8 minus 5, 3, and sign of the bigger number, that is plus. That is why it is plus 3. Correct? There is no y term here, so we will write this as it is. Here 2x minus 6x, x, and 2 minus 6 plus 2 minus 6. Different sign, we will minus it from the bigger number, the smaller number. 6 minus 2 is 4, sign of the bigger number. So, bigger number is 6, sign is minus, so answer is minus 4. So, minus 4x plus 8 plus 5. Plus 8 plus 5 is plus 13. You know how this is? Same sign you will add and put the same sign here. And there is no y term here, so plus 4y square. So, this is the answer. Correct? Now, from exercise, I will do a few questions, rest you can do this on your own, and if there is any problem you can write in comment section, there I will help you out. So, exercise 9.1. So, in first question there are 6 parts, we will do any 2. Say I will do here, what you have to do first I will tell. Identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following. Identify terms and coefficients of each of the following. Okay. So, first we will do, which part should I do? Okay, first one I will do. 5xyz square minus 3zy. After that we will do fourth. Fourth is 3 minus pq plus qr minus rp. Identify terms. Here the terms are, one term is this and another term is this. Here the terms are 5xyz square and minus 3zy. Why minus? Why not only 3zy? Here you need not confuse with this. Here it is a minus sign, the term is 3zy. No, the term is minus, because you write the expression in the form that terms are added. So, how I can write this term as 5xyz square plus minus 3zy. So, one term is this, one term is this. Terms are added to form the expression. So, one term is this, another is this. This is had I written this would have been wrong. Next is this 3 minus pq plus qr minus rp. So, terms are, I can write this as 3 plus minus pq plus qr plus minus rp. We will write this expression as addition of the parts. So, now the terms are 3 minus q, qr and minus rp are the terms. Next is we have to find coefficients also, coefficients of each of the term. Now there are two terms, this and this. So, coefficient of this term is, coefficient means numerical coefficient. Coefficient of 5xyz square is 5. This is the numerical part, so this is the coefficient. Coefficient of minus 3zy is, variable part is this, coefficient part is this, numerical part is this. So, this is minus 3. Okay. Now, coefficient of, here there are 4 terms. Now coefficient of 3 is 3 itself, because this is the numerical part only. So this is the coefficient. Here I can write minus PQ as minus 1 into PQ. So this is a variable part. So coefficient is minus 1. Okay. This is QR. This I can write as 1 into QR. So this is a variable part. This is the numerical part. So numerical part is the coefficient. So this is the coefficient. Minus RP can be written as minus 1 into RP. So this is the variable part and this is the numerical part. Numerical part is our coefficient. So this is the coefficient. Clear? Why we have to write like this? Because here 1 we don't write. Okay, you can simply write also 1, but for the sake of simplicity I have done like this. Right? Next question is, classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials and trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these 3 categories? So I will write x plus 5y 1000, x plus x square plus x cube plus x4, x raised to power 4, 7 plus y plus 5x. One more I will write 2y minus 3y square. One more I will write as AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus DA. Question is, classify the following polynomials as monomial, binomial, trinomial, and which polynomials do not fit in these categories. Means do not fit in either as monomial, it is neither a binomial, neither a trinomial. So consider the first one, x plus y. How many terms? 2 terms. So it is a binomial. Okay. Next is 1000. Only 1 term and that too constant. So it is monomial. Next is x plus x square plus x cube plus x4. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. So this is neither a monomial nor a binomial nor a trinomial. So this does not fit in this category. Next is 7 plus y plus 5x. 1, 2, 3. How many terms? 3 terms. So it is a trinomial. Next is 2y minus 3y square. So I can write it as 2y plus minus 3y square. So these are the 2 terms, 2y and minus 3y square. So 2 terms means this is binomial. Next is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms means this does not fit into any of these. Neither monomial nor binomial nor trinomial. Right? Next question, third. Add the following. I'll take second and fourth or third. Second and fourth ले लेते हैं. Second is a minus b plus ab, b minus c plus bc, and c minus a plus ac. Right? Fourth also I'll write L square plus m square plus n square plus L square, and next is 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. We are to add these three terms. So procedure we know. We'll write like terms one below the other and simply add. So first term is a minus b plus ab. Next is b minus c. So b we will write this below b, minus c. No c is here in the first term, so I will write here, plus bc. No bc is here, so I will write bc here. Next is c minus a. C I will write below this, minus a I will write below this, minus a. Okay, don't forget to put the sign. If there is plus sign we may not write, but if it is minus we must write. Plus ac. No ac here, no ac here, so I will write ac here, and now we will add. Now a we will write simple a, and here coefficient is 1. Here no sign means plus 1, and here it is minus 1. So when different sign, what we will do? Minus 1 minus 1, 0. So a minus a is 0 into a means 0 only. Same minus b plus b, 0 b, so that is 0. Plus ab, nothing here, so this is plus ab. C minus c, 0 कट जाएगा, plus 0 plus bc plus ac. The answer is 0. We need not write in the answer. So answer is ab plus bc plus ca. Next is L square plus m square. L square plus m square. Next is m square plus n square. M square is here, so I will write m square below this. N square, no n square here, I will write next to it. Next is n square plus L square. N square I will write below this. No L square here, there is L square in first term, so L square I will write below this. Correct? Then 2lm. No lm here, no lm here, no lm here. So lm will come here. Correct? 2mn, no mn, so 2mn I will write here. 2nl also not there, so like this. Now we will simply add. L square plus L square. L square same. L square, no, nothing is written means 1, 1 plus 1. No sign means plus, plus 1 plus 1. We will add and same sign. So 2L square. M square plus m square, no sign means it is plus. Same 2m square, same 2n square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Correct? So this is the answer.